Hi there, Dr. Dave here, and it's time to rise and whine. I was getting an eye exam last week, and while reading a row of letters that I couldn't exactly make out, the very astute eye doctor said, "Open your eyes a little wider." And when I did, and more light came in, I was easily able to read this line, which became a lot clearer. It seems like a metaphor to me for life. Sometimes when we encounter something that's not entirely clear to us, we kind of prematurely figure it's just not going to get any clearer, and we move on without any clarity around what that thing is. I think if we take a little time, open our eyes a little wider, and by that I mean take in a little more information, slow down a bit, or ask others what they see in that very same thing that we are struggling with, something that previously was not clear might become a whole lot clearer. Rise and Whine is weekly, and if you enjoyed this episode, please like, comment, and share below. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and thank you for spending a minute of it with me.